Hi Shaira. We IKEA now in Manila. Already here. Christmas tree.
They start early.
Yes, in the Philippines start in the September.
Too early for
Shaira, in September start in the Philippines.
so early to start Christmas now. It's still
Yes.
September.
You see, Pasay City have flag
Yeah.
population.
Let's have a look.
Population in the Philippines. I already IKEA also sale here. Shaka. It's not Shaira. Entertainment Mall. Hi everyone, why we go to Manila? Because Ali, our friend, go to Los Angeles. That's why we help to him, send him to airport. And we also party here in Manila at evening. Maybe I take video also in other places in Manila. I don't know, maybe I will try. I will try to go to LA Cafe. Maybe I will stop. And evening maybe I take video. But now we're walking in the entertainment mall. And later, Shaira, we go to IKEA. You won't eat in IKEA, I know. But today so many people. Friday.
Not that money.
No, maybe later. Later maybe so more people come.
There's sweets here. I want to take sweets.
Up to you.
Yeah.
Cookies. This one is cookies. I don't know, don't have price. We don't know how much.
That one is the biggest. There is the bar. But you know, look like this. I will see this video. You will like it. They have you WhatsApp now.
Chinese car.
Yeah, Chinese car.
Интересно, how much?
Yes.
No, it's good inside.
Ah. It's a Chinese.
Chinese car, yes.
Красивая машина.
Yes.
Красивая девочка. Да?
Yes, yes.
Понимаешь?
Yes.
Нет, говорит по-русски. Понимаешь?
Ah, naka-break.
7 seats.
You know what? They forgot. They will take a picture with them, but I ignore them.
Ah, smaller.
Small one.
Ah, it's Brabus.
It's for dessert. This is for dessert.
Yeah. Вот бета Шайра. Black car or grey? Blue.
For me?
No, I don't know. For you, not I. It's close. Okay, thank you. So what beta Shara?
Yeah.
Black beta.
This is for dessert, not for blue. Not for dessert blue. Give it.
Look like Mercedes, yes? Brabus, but it's Chinese. They put logo Brabus. It's same brand Shira, but they
This one is how good it is, like can stick inside.
same first car also same. TV. Little Floor Cafe. Floor. How does it say, Shira? Floor? Floor. No, turn left. Left.
I like that one.
This one? No, everywhere have. Nissan car.
Local ones, they're
I have this leaf, only red color. Same.
It's nice one.
But I want to sell because not use.
Where?
In Russia have.
You can sell it from here, but
No, I need to go to Russia and sell. No, I have this one. Nissan Leaf. Yes. Only I have Japanese style. I have steering wheel here. I bought from Japan before. Yes, the same. Xterra? Ali, same you have.
yeah.
No, you have this Xterra, this one. First one.
Yeah. And I'm Xterra, not Terra, I'm Xterra.
Yes, but in the Philippines don't have Xterra.
They don't have Xterra.
It's only logo put Xterra in Arabian country. You have same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yes, same color.
Yeah, they show you. What is my number? Xterra, they don't Terra.
Yes.
Only Terra.
Excuse me, why in Arabian country name Xterra, in the Philippines Terra is the same car?
That's my car. Yeah.
Sometimes it's different from the
Only different brand, the different name, different name. But all the same, don't have more accessories like this, only all same. Okay. How much is this Terra?
This one is 2,179,000
Diesel.
diesel.
Okay. But you have a gas.
Gas, yeah.
This is diesel.
The Xterra is gas.
Yeah.
This one is
In the Philippines, diesel is better. Cheaper diesel.
Let's stand to it again. Is it like that? Yeah.
Have discount if you use cash. Okay, thank you.
You know the story.
Yeah, level maybe 4 or 3.
Very slow.
Mhm.
Yeah, we are here. Which one? Which level?
3,
Yeah, okay. This one.
level 3. This is cafe. Level 4. Level 4 ресторан. No, today better don't have rain.
Maybe in the night will be heavy rain.
Maybe. Only in the Philippines, Christmas decorations start to sale in September.
Dear customers, gentle reminders, please take your personal belongings while you shop. Thank you.
Do you want apple, Shaira?
No.
It's apple. Oh, not so many people now. Don't have line. Usually big line, but now it's 240 or 230. Yeah, but now don't have line. And so many tables available now.
Don't worry about the table. You can find anything.
Yes, but you remember before, so many people.
Oh, so many people, you can find the table.
Uh-huh.
Don't worry.
Daddy,
Yes.
are you gonna put in your salmon?
Huh?
Are you gonna put in your salmon?
No, much.
Turon name.
Wait lang.
Our food. Try to help more. Ali.
Can? Cannot. Give it. Yes. Everybody have glasses and more. Drink this juice.
Yes. You can go. Mall of Asia. We will go outside, seaside. Hi? Okay. Also here. No, it's okay, can go. Start little bit rain. That's why people go outside. Okay, a little bit walk. I try. I hope not big rain.
It's not big rain. Let's try.
Uh-huh.
Come on. Let's try. It's not bad, you know. But trains coming like this one, see?
Mm-hmm.
That the people they know, so they come there.
Yeah.
From this side, it's coming strongly. Just that's enough for us. Enough. more
Yes,
enough.
only there.
Yeah, more enough.
Hey, Reija.
Asia. Head of Asia. Right, you get it. You can make it slow.
Zoom little bit, yeah.
Yeah. And my
Already start rain. Oh, Shaira. You see, Shaira, so many people go outside.
We go inside already because it's raining.
Yeah. You want to play, Shaira? Don't want?
What if I sit there?
No, sit here. He fall down.
Yeah.
Why we so happy? No, it's closed gate.
Oh, because you take video before and then someone who fall down in the street.
Starbucks.
There is only one. You know, only one. All this money. The owner of the one. And what? Many.
Philippine Airlines.
Yeah, but this is European. What do you name? Coca. Coca. My airplane 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Fly.
Smell good. Yeah, not? Don't like? Like candy? Candy? Not candy?
Straw, perfume.
Perfume?
So pain from my head. My nose is so sensitive from the straw.
Not need use. This is food court. Food court.
It's also vlogging. I remember we sit here and buy
Yes.
The French cafe, we saw it. The one is nice.
It's skating, yes.
What?
No.
maybe I can call pasta. I want that.
We've been before.